Jesus Freak here. So, I decided to make a very small change in how I publish my Sunday morning videos going forward. Now, first of all, I decided it was just too much energy. I was gonna try to hold out on the second set of videos on my other channel until November, which is the end of the liturgical year. But I just haven't had it in me. And to save myself having to record the same thing twice, to save myself having to hang on to 2 copies of the videos for a while, I'm just not doing it. So I think there's a couple more videos before I burn out what's already up. But the more important change, since no one's really watching those anyway, they're all coming here. I've decided to enable live chat during the first run, which is 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or Eastern Daylight Time, on Sunday morning. Now, these are obviously not live because some of the stuff in the videos is very clearly recorded a year or two ago. Because I'm like, if I don't have to re-record it because I still have footage that's good enough, just use what I got and save myself the effort. But I'm going to enable the live chat. The videos tend to run a variable amount of time. I think maybe about 10 to 15 minutes on average. This probably be more useful if anyone's coming from some of the other places that I tend to lurk and decide, oh, Jesus Freak's got a video up on Sunday morning. But anyone wants to chat at that time before I go to church, it's a possibility. I can do it. So I'm going to try that at least for the time being. Doesn't take much work to set up. Meantime, I got some errands to do today, so I'm shooting this just before 2 o'clock, and won't be any use for me to do it before about 9 or so I'm just killing time. Jesus Freak out.